Alright, welcome back to Do-It-Myself Garage. It has been about a month since I've actually been up in the garage. It's just been too cold up here in Minnesota. We had family here for Christmas. So one of the things I wanted to do, now that I have this carrier, and I've had it for so long, is check to see if it fits. Probably be a good idea, huh? I gotta go grab the bearings for that, because that does not fit directly in there without bearings. Alright, finally got this stuff all dug out of the package. I verified that this is the right size bearing for this. Fits down in here absolutely perfect. I'm kind of leaving it in the radius right now. But that fits in there. This is a press fit onto the carrier. The only thing I want to do now is kind of just set the carrier in here to make sure the length looks right, but it should be. Like I say, I know it's I gotta have the bearings in here. But yeah, that appears to be right. Just gonna check real quick to make sure my splines fit. I know I got the right count, but there are so many things that change over the years with sizes and whatnot. Let's make sure that this actually fits in here. Let me clean these splines out. I don't want to put that dirt all in there. 31 spline, should be 31 spline. Oh yeah, nice and snug. I don't want to get it wedged in there. I'll try the other side too. Oh yeah, perfect. That up so she doesn't decide to go rolling off on the floor on me. Alright, like I say, today was just a matter of doing a little bit of sizing. Making sure that I have the right stuff. I'm going to bring this back into my favorite transmission shop over here. Have them press these on there for me. And we'll be ready to go with installing that. Let's see what else we can work on today. It is cold out here in the garage. I'm running the heater. Don't plan on staying out here too long. Work on some other stuff. Stuff on another day when it's a little warmer, but at least wanted to verify that I had the right carrier. I don't know if you saw this kit that I got. I think I showed it before. It's a BOP 8.21 inch 64 to 71. The number is XL104-1 1040-1, and it comes with the bolts for the carrier, all the bearings that you need, a whole bunch of spacers, some smaller spacers or shims. They're laying down in here. They fell. Can't pick nothing up. It's so cold out here. Got these. Got all the seals. So it should be good. New nut for the front. Crush ring, so we should be good to go. Like I say, I'm gonna have to get this pressed on here. I should have thought of that the other day. Today it's already Saturday now, so it's too late to get it done today. So I'll have to wait until Monday, so it'll be next week before I get this put in. But I have some other things to work on, and like I say, really wasn't planning on coming out here. It's so cold, this gasket maker is hard as a rock right now, so I won't be doing any of that right now anyway. I want to get this together, but I'm not in a rush to do it wrong, if that makes sense. Alright, just realized I hadn't checked to see if my ring gear fits on here yet. Mentioned before, I plan on reusing the ring gear. I have not cleaned up the inside of this very much, so it won't just fall right on here. She is real close, like she wants to start, but not quite. And they are a real tight fit. Obviously, that's got to be centered, so I'm not going to try to force it on there. I have not cleaned up the inside of the gear here, so there's still some stuff in here. There might even be a nick or two. So I'll clean that up. I'll get these surfaces clean. Then I may be able to ask the transmission shop about getting that put on there also, just to make sure that I don't force anything and everything is seated properly. Alright, so I've got ring gear, pinion gear all cleaned up, got the bearings ready to go, got my bolts ready to go, got my carrier. I'm going to get this all boxed up and bring it over to the transmission shop. Have them press the bearings on here, press the bearing on here. See about installing this on here. Like I say, a lot of this stuff is either press fit or interference fit. So I want to make sure it gets put on properly. I'll have them inspect these gears, make sure that they are as good as I think they are. If they're not good, maybe I might have to buy a new pinion and ring gear. We'll go from there. But other than that, I think I'm going to call that just a real quick video for the week. Again, I should have done a little bit more preparation and made sure this stuff was ready. And had these bearings pressed on here, but I was busy with some other stuff around the house. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.